Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to fix the circular reference error in Excel. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do it yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up Excel if you haven't already. After opening up Excel guys, here you have the option to create either a new workbook or to select a file that you already have that you want to edit. So yeah guys, let's say we have already the file where we have the error and we want to edit it. Let's go ahead and open up our file, and as you can see here guys, here we have a table with some values in it. So let's go ahead guys and type in, let's say we want to calculate the sum of some fields. Let's go ahead and type in sum. After that, let's select these two fields. Let's say that we want to select our field as well. Go ahead and close the bracket guys, and now you see that we get the error. There are more circular references when a formula refers, so on so on. And now guys, we will not be able to calculate the sum unless we only select these two values right here without selecting our final value. So guys, how do we enable it so that we can select all of our values right here? Well, it's very easy guys. All you have to do is go ahead into the file option in the upper left corner, click on file, and now go ahead into the last option right here called options at the left side of the screen. Go ahead and click on option guys, and this will bring up a new window where you can change some options regarding Excel. What we want to do is go ahead, click the second option right here called formulas, and here we have some options that we can use to edit formulas in our Excel file. What we want to do guys is go ahead and enable this option right here called enable iterative calculation. Go ahead and click on that guys, and after clicking on that, all you have to do is click on OK to save it. And now guys, let's do the following. Let's do the same that we did just now. We want to create a sum, and in the sum we want to calculate these values, and we're going to select the final cell right here as well. And after doing that guys, you can see that now currently our value has been selected as well, and we have selected our value right here, which we have already gotten. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.